What's up, Peak Timers? This is unofficially the Holy Trinity for the 2019 Hot Wheels mainline. The Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, the Bugatti Chiron, and the Mclaren Senna. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at them and then we'll race them down the track to find out which one's the fastest. We'll first have a look at the Mclaren Senna, and this was the first of the Hot Wheels Holy Trinity 2019 release, and it was released in this nice looking bluish kind of gray color as well, and the wheels on it are very fitting. They look very, very nice for it. You can see it's got that see-through glass window on the side. I love that little touch right there. Big wing on it, of course, the Senna wing on there. Great detail on the back. Nice looking lights for the tampo work and all that on there. The only downfall is it doesn't have the front tampos on the headlights, but that's okay. It still does look great. We got the McLaren logo right down there as well. And from the top, it does look fantastic. It's kind of a love it or hate it type of design, but it's a really all function type of hypercar. It's made for grip handling. Very, very nice. I like it. Let's go on to the next release, which was the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. And this one was released in this silverish gray color, the 5-star spoked chrome wheels, very bling bling. Great looking tampo work and detail on the front of it. Love the open top Roadster as well. And then on the back, we've got that big diffuser, nice looking lights, a great all-around release. I think this one they did very, very well. Very perfect. Love this casting. It looks great. If you're a Lamborghini fan, you will not be disappointed with the Centenario Roadster. It looks great. And our final release of the 2019 Holy Trinity from Hot Wheels is the Bugatti Chiron. There it is in this blue color. It's kind of a sparkly blue color. Great detail for this though. These wheels, again, perfect fit for this car. I love the kind of silver highlighting for that horseshoe Bugatti on there, as well as even the front. We've got the horseshoe Bugatti with the Bugatti logo in the center, and it looks really, really, really good all around. I think they did this casting perfectly right. I'm so glad they finally came out with a new Bugatti release. You can see it looks great, and we're gonna have to get this one in another color release. I'm sure this will be recolored this year, as well as the Centenario Roadster, so it'll be interesting to see what colors they come up with for these ones next. We do know that the Senna will be coming in orange already, so stay tuned for the orange one. All right guys, we're at the track. We've got the Centenario Roadster here, the Senna right here, and the Bugatti Chiron right there. We're gonna do a best of 3 to find out which one's the fastest. First car to win 2 races wins. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Bugatti that takes the win in race number 1. What an amazing race. Can the Bugatti take the win in race number 2 and finish them off? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Mclaren Senna that takes the win in race number 2. A win for the Senna and a win for the Bugatti now. Let's find out. Are we gonna get another winner, maybe the Lamborghini in race number 3? Or is the Bugatti or the Senna gonna finish them off right now? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! A very close race tournament, but the Mclaren Senna comes back from behind and takes the win. In the comments down below, let me know which was your favorite new Hot Wheels hypercar.